I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
What's up, man? I see you again, man. Yeah, it's been a year.
It has been, man.
Yeah, we made it. Yeah,
hey, look.
How you still got it though?
Hey, this town has not left this truck.
Man, I so appreciate it, man.
I've been floating the hell out of it today. Hey, she's a little louder than she was last year.
You done did a little something to it. Done tweaked it a little bit.
We tweaked on the amps a little bit. We went back in and restarted the box up. We were getting a lot of box flex.
Yeah.
But man, like I said, dude, anytime like I subscribe to your channel, obviously.
Yeah.
But I've shown so many people, you know, your channel. But I love going there and finding mine in order to show it to people.
Man, yeah, I sure appreciate it, man. I always think about that. I said, man, there's some nice Skar bills out there. This is the one I think of right here.
Well, man, I appreciate that, bro.
Yeah, that thing is nice.
Let me find my song. Oh, there it is.
I'm in this.
I appreciate you, man.
You look clean as fuck, man.
Man, I try to do what I can, man. I'm telling you, man. Shoot, I try to come out here, man. You look halfway decent to come see these halfway decent bills y'all got,
hey,
man.
I appreciate that, man. It means a lot, man.
Man, y'all put a lot of work in this stuff.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, you still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Man, I so appreciate it, man. Tell them what you're running, man, so they'll know what's going on.
All right, man. I'm running 12 Skar ZVX 12s in a fourth order on 4 Skar SK 4500s. We run them at 3/4 of an ohm. So we're running probably close to 26,000 watts total.
Yeah.
And it's a complete Skar build. Skar mids and highs, Skar subs, Skar amps, the whole shebang bang.
Oh, 9 yards.
Yep.
In case y'all had doubts, you need to check this one out. That's all I gotta say, man. This is definitely on the channel. If you get a chance to run into them, I'm gonna try to tag them down in the comments below. You on Facebook too, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna try to let them know just in case they don't know where to find you.
Hey, man, my name is Jeremy Norsworthy Rogers on Facebook. Like I said, if you find me on his page, just click it. You can find me from there, man. Appreciate it.
Okay, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Hey,
We're
Kev,
gonna do it again, man. You too, man.
Take care, brother.
You too. Man, 4-star audio bill, man. When in doubt, you need to check it out, man. You know, it's a lot of bad stuff said about it, but you gotta check some of these bills out, man. You know. But you know, it's definitely a good product right here, man. It's working, man, and this build right here is really impressive. So y'all be sure to check them out.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.